someone moved them. Nope, they didn't. Oh, someone moved one. Because look at that. Look at how flooded that is.
That's worse.
Poor car. Because there was a car right
Did you get
here.
it?
Yeah. I videotaped it. I said,
I wasn't yelling at you. I was just asking you quickly because there was a vehicle coming.
oh. There's some more vehicles, but they're not as flooded. Nope, not like that one back there. He wants to check out the school. See if it's flooded.
Hope so.
Did you put that in the garbage?
Did you notice the damn school?
Yes, I did.
Uh-huh.
The dance school.
Oh, yeah.
The guy told me that come in said the old River Hill is getting washed out. I said, oh, the water's running down there. He said, oh, water's running down there. It's lifting out big slabs of pavement and washing them down the hill.
Should go check that out. We got a good video of the underpass though, and some of the hail that was there. Like I thought by the time we got back there would be no hail, and then we found big giant chunks.
And there's
I missed it now.
Look at the water there. Oh, look at the high school.
Whoa.
Not just the school.
Can't even see.
First time I ever had to drive through one of there.
Are those your chips? Okay, they better be.
Our school is,
Look at the leaves.
our school has to be flooded because
Yeah.
every time the snow melts, there's big potholes there.
Flood up here too. Well, maybe I thought it was flooded, but it's just it's flooded in the schoolyard.
Whoa. That is awesome. Yeah, our roof is probably leaking like it's actually raining.
I wonder if their basement is flooded. They got shovels.
Must be.
Haley or Tracy caught our basement just in time.
Well, it was where the furnace is. It's coming down the exhaust thing.
Maybe that's how it gets
It's up
flooded
the
out.
basement.
Now where else were we gonna go and check?
River Hill.
Oh yeah, the River Hill. Old 41. I'm just putting everything in this one bag.
Even the bags.
Yeah, garbage bags. Oh, I think Kim must have a flood. They're in there with shovels or something.
Did you cover up that bag of chips yet?
Yep. There.
I wonder how bad our yard is.
Yeah. Dang it.
That would suck if they got a flood in there.
Well, at least it's not. Because they said the other day it was flooded right up to the doors. Can't see it being flooded up to the doors when every place else is flooded. The hell is that? Oh, the sides. That's where it was ripping it off on the sides here. Chunks of